In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the door latch from your dishwasher. To access that part in your dishwasher, you're going to need to remove the front panel. And it's going to vary on how you do that depending on the make and model of dishwasher. But in most cases, you're going to have to open your door and you're going to want to remove the screws around the perimeter that hold the front panel on to the back half. Now in some models, such as this one, this front panel is all one piece. So this whole front piece, including the handle, will come off. On other models, it'll have a console where your controls are that will stay in place and just this piece has to come off. So depending on your make and model, you'll have to decide which version you're going to have to go with, whether you're taking the entire front off or just a portion of it. But in either case, they're just held by screws, and just use the appropriate screwdriver to remove the screws and you'll be all set. So we're going to take the front off of this one. Now the way this one is built, I can take these screws around the sides and you'll see that the front panel is starting to come away, but they actually have a couple of metal supports inside that stop it from falling right off. So that'll hold it, makes it a little bit easier. Now for this last screw, I'm just using my other hand just to hold that front panel in place so it doesn't fall on the floor. So I'm just going to raise the door up a bit. Take control of that front panel. Lift it off. And as well, depending on your model, you may need to lower this console. So again, it's just a matter of removing the last few screws that hold it. On your model, you may have had no choice but to take all the screws out in order to have it come apart to get at the part you want to change. And one last screw, so I'm just with my other hand holding on to the console panel and the inner door liner so it can't fall on the floor. With all the screws removed, I can let the door close and lower it down out of the way. So now we have access to everything. So now that we have our console down, on this model, the door latch assembly is held in place just by a couple of little clips, just two little fingers. We're just going to take a screwdriver and pop them off. So that allows your door latch assembly to come away as a separate piece. So we'll need to remove our door switches. And in the case of this make and model, they're held by a screw. Some machines only have one door switch, some have two. Whichever case you have, you'll just act accordingly. And then these switches just slide off the locating pins that are part of the latch. And that's how easy it is to remove a door latch from your dishwasher.